Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in more like a mixing video today. Today we're gonna be using mixing source for Ableton. This is a pack of effect racks that I've created a couple of months ago. It is gonna make this drop that I'm about to play just sound better and cleaner. So we're gonna do A/B testing. I'm gonna resample this drop and then resample that drop after processing, and we're gonna see how much of an improvement the mixing sauce did to the track. First of all, I have to explain what does this consist of. If you're not aware of it, this is the ultimate mixing pack with racks for Ableton. Anti-matte compressor, bass master, drum master, mid-side fix, synth master, the ultimate space, vocal master. These are all designed to help you make different sounds sound better. Also fix some mud and some unnecessary frequencies. So this is a song, this is a part of the song. I just got some elements to just make it look cleaner, of the song that we made with the Galaxy pack. Let's start with the drop, right? So we have vocal chops, we have vocal like a sweep, we have bass, and we have some synths. There's also a granular pad playing in the background that is we're gonna be using also post-processing on it. And then some vocals, and then a piano. That's gonna be interesting, I guess. First of all, vocals. They're really dry. I mean, there's already reverb on them, but so I'm using the ultimate space reverb to add some reverb, right, to the to this thing. This one is just a background sweep. So now we have a bass line. You know, it's really simple respace, open respace. So let's use a bass master on it. First of all, I'm gonna add some noise to it on the top to make it more crunchy. It starts to sound really like gritty and crunchy, really nice. Now some fuzz. As you can see, every single rack has 8 knobs. There are different things in different racks. They do different things. They are designed, you know, for different things, so they have different knobs, right? Just like that. Some dist. It stands from distortion. Some resonance maybe. There's a side cut. We can cut low frequencies that are wide because they're not supposed to be wide. I guess just a bit of secret sauce and harshness. So we are turning this sound into this sound. Hell yeah. Much more alive. Sounds much better. Now let's go to drums. Let's slap drum master. Let's tweak some settings to make it sound better. There's some knock, there's some glue. Glue is more like a transient shaper. You can hear some transients now have been created. Then just do the expand if you want to. Taste if you want some taste. Alright, sounds kind of better to me. There's also drum room if you want to put drums into the room. Really cool to make the drums sit in the mix better. Then the knock is for making it knock even harder. Yeah, for some more dynamics you can use the snappy knob. because we are post-processing the whole group, I don't like the sweep. It's more like an effect kind of thing instead of drum one. I like the way it sounds on just drums. I'm not a fan of doing effects also. So I'm just gonna maybe group these. Yeah, let's do it like that. Just gonna group these and put this on the group. It's the first part of the drop, and then let's go to synth. For some brightness, spice up, clean up. So it adds some delay and reverb as well. And you can demat them. Okay, now the last thing is this granular part. So we have a lot of elements on sides, so I want to put this guy more in the middle. So I'm gonna slap a mid-side fix. And now I'm gonna go into side. So here we have side signal and here we have mid signal. So we can just do the high pass filter like that. So we have this granular part right in the middle. Or you can make it white with these guys, or a low mid. Right? Okay, so then it turns into this part. So let's go to piano first of all. My favorite one is anti-matte compressor. It just deletes, gets rid of any matte in the sound and makes it much cleaner. This is like a game changer to me. So basically you want less mids or less lows, you just push these knobs. Maybe a little bit of OTT. More dynamics. So you can even have more compression on each of these guys by just turning up these knobs. Basically we are turning this really muddy sound into this sound. Much cleaner, much better. Now we may do the mid-side fix on this one. Something like this. Yeah. Okay, now let's take care of this guy. First of all, I want to show you the ultimate space. We did use it previously on the vocal, but I want to show you just what it sounds like on a default preset. For vocals, we have Vocal Master. So a couple of things. There's de-esser. This part. It's like very like tss, tss. But after de-esser, it's less. So just maybe set it like 48 or something. A little bit brighter. So there's a slap delay, which does this. It's really cool for making white vocals. Very cool. Some reverb and delay, but a little bit later. Now let's glue this together. So this glue knob does a couple of things. It sort of like squashes the dynamics, but also makes the transients pop. So after that, I think we have to push the de-esser further. Now, saturation if you want to. I'm gonna do like this. And now reverb and delay. Also we can low cut. So if there's any low end that's unnecessary in vocals, that happens a lot of times, just push this. Okay, reverb. Now delay. So this is without. Really dry. So as I said at the beginning, we're gonna compare the two pieces. Okay, so this is before. So this part now. Beefy sounds. Okay, so this part now. So that's really good in my opinion. There's a big quality change from the first one to the second one. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you well, not really learned something. Well, I hope you learned something anyways. If you want to grab the mixing sauce, there's a link in the description. If you decide to get the mixing sauce, I hope it helps you make better tunes. I definitely use it a lot, like in every single production. I definitely use anti-matte compressor and the ultimate space. They're like the best, the most useful elements from this pack. So have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.